Welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling breakfast, the most important bloody meal of the day. You lot think you can just skip it and get on with your lives, yeah? Wrong. I'm here to show you that even with a schedule tighter than my restaurant during dinner rush, you can whip up some quick and healthy breakfast options that'll fuel your day. We're talking 5 recipes so simple, even a donkey could make them. So stop making excuses and get your arses in gear. Let's kick things off with Greek yogurt. None of that sugary rubbish, alright? We're going for the real deal here, packed with protein to power you through the morning. Grab yourself a good dollop of the stuff, at least half a cup, and don't be shy. Now, drizzle over some honey, just a touch for sweetness, you hear? We don't want to ruin the tanginess of the yogurt, and to finish, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, whatever you fancy. The nuts add a bit of crunch and some healthy fats. There you have it, a breakfast fit for a king, ready in less than 2 minutes. What's your excuse now, eh? Next up, a smoothie bowl for those of you who like things a little fancier. Don't worry, it's still bloody easy. Chuck a handful of frozen berries into your blender. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you've got. Add in half a banana for creaminess and a dose of potassium. Now blitz that lot until it's smooth. Pour it into a bowl and get ready for the fun part, the toppings. We're talking a sprinkle of granola for some texture, a few slices of fresh fruit for presentation, and maybe even a drizzle of honey if you're feeling indulgent. This next one is for all you disorganized lot who can't even boil water in the morning. Overnight oats, it's all in the name, you pillocks. Mix together rolled oats, chia seeds, and your choice of milk. I like almond milk, but you do you. Now cover it up and leave it in the fridge overnight. That's it. In the morning your breakfast will be ready and waiting, packed with fiber to keep you full until lunchtime. You can even add some fruit or nuts in the morning for extra flavor and nutrition. See, even you can manage this one. Now, for something a bit lighter, cottage cheese with pineapple. Don't screw your face up, you muppets. Cottage cheese is packed with protein and calcium, and it's surprisingly delicious. Grab a good scoop of cottage cheese and then add some chopped pineapple. The sweetness of the pineapple pairs perfectly with the tanginess of the cheese. You can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey if you want to be fancy. It's a refreshing and healthy breakfast that will wake up your taste buds. Last but not least, we've got a green smoothie for all you health nuts. Don't worry, it doesn't taste like grass, you donkey. Blend together a handful of spinach, half an avocado, a banana for sweetness, and some almond milk or water. The spinach and avocado are packed with nutrients and healthy fats, while the banana adds some natural sweetness. Blitz it all up until smooth, and you're good to go. This smoothie is a powerhouse of energy, and will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. There you have it, you lazy sods. 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that even the most useless git can manage. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. Get your act together and start your day the right way with a breakfast that will fuel your body and mind. Now I've done my part. It's time for you lot to get off your backsides and try these recipes out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more culinary inspiration. Now bugger off and make me proud.